Hi, welcome to Erotic Intimacy Academy, an online educational platform designed for therapists and coaches. I'm Kelly Wenham, and I'm with my co-founder, Sari Cooper.
I'm Sari Cooper. I'm an ASEC certified sex therapist and a supervisor, and I want to welcome you to our Erotic Intimacy Academy platform. I've been a therapist for over 30 years, and my center in New York is called Center for Love and Sex. It's a group practice where we specialize in treating sex therapy cases for individuals and couples, as well as general couples counseling. I've have my background is in family systems therapy, and I came across sex therapy because I felt like I lacked skills actually in really helping people who were having sexuality issues. And over the years, I've become a presenter, a speaker in professional conferences around the world for general public. I've been quoted in many articles, and I write a sex esteem blog every month for my own website as well as for Psych Today. And I co-created this Erotic Intimacy Academy with Kelly for the purpose of educating other therapists who did not get any sort of sexuality training in their graduate school or even in their postgraduate institute training programs. And I'm welcoming you here on the site.
Thanks, Sari. And I'm Kelly Wenham again. My passion for helping people really started from a young age. But as far as working as a therapist, I've been doing that for over 10 years and working with individuals in different capacities, mental health settings, group home settings, hospitals, for over 20 years. And I am very passionate about working with people and helping them bring pleasure into their lives. And like Sari mentioned, a lot of therapists, myself included, don't learn about human sexuality or sex therapy practices in our master's degree programs or when we enter into the mental health field. And I am an ASEC certified sex therapist, so I went through additional training to become a sex therapist after my master's degree, and I did my supervision under Sari to be a sex therapist. And I am currently also working at the Center for Love and Sex as a senior associate therapist. We are both very passionate about this online platform and bringing this education to other therapists so that they can help their clients in having better outcomes, especially when they're bringing issues that maybe they don't really know how to address. And my specialty is working with the LGBTQ community. That is a personal passion that I have, is working to help clients who experience minority issues. And I love when LGBTQ issues intersect with sex therapy. That's really where I thrive as a therapist.
So on our site, you will find a lot of individual webinars, but you will also find our new See It certification. See It stands for Sexuality Education and Erotically Informed Therapist or trainer if you're a coach. And we created this certification for people who may not want to do the full certification process, which can take up to 3 years actually.
Mhm.
But they really would like to understand the questions that they need to understand to ask in order to really help their clients, both from a psychological point of view, a relational point of view in their relationships, but also medical and symptoms of side effects of medications and long-standing genetic situations that someone may have, that if you don't know how to ask the right question, you're not going to see it, which is how we came up with this acronym.
Mhm. Yep.
So, welcome. Check out our site, check out the certification. We're really, really excited about it. We've put a lot of heart and soul into each one of these webinars, which focus on a theme, whether it's infidelity, sexual pain, arousal disorders, um, BDSM or kink interests. We've really tried to give a nice wide range of topics that will most commonly come in your door. But if you don't have the right questions, you're not going to get into a deeper level of conversation, and you're not going to help them with referrals and getting the right interventions if they need other professionals to help out in the presenting issue.
Yeah. So thank you and welcome.